There's fiery public comment tonight on Seattle's proposed head tax. Finance Committee Chair Sally Bagshaw asked the crowd to clear out after supporters of the plan started chanting. Now that led to heated exchanges between two council members.
I'm going to clear the room and we will allow people in 10 at a time. Security, will you help me?
I'm sorry, Chair Bagshaw, I don't agree with that decision. They're just chanting.
I just did it.
What?
Please, we're going to clear the room.
So everybody was eventually allowed back in. The council formally introduced the plan today. It would tax big businesses per employee with money going to homelessness services and also affordable housing.